Another couple of guided warm-ups to start you off. Hopefully the one from yesterday might give you a little bit more confidence to give this a go. Um, I want you to have a go on your own. I'm going to give you a couple of hints and then you'll have time to try and solve it. Now, in the first one, my recommendation is to think of two triangles. Now, I'm going to label them so you can see what I mean. So A, B, C, and I'm going to label that D. So what I want you to think of are two triangles, one being the smaller right angle triangle, A, B, C, where that's 15 degrees and that's 20 meters, and the other one being the bigger right angle triangle, ACD, where this is 20 meters and this is 50 meters. Okay, what I'm hoping you can see is that this X value here is the entire thing minus this side here. So if you want to think about it that way, X is equal to AD minus AB. So if we label our other triangles, I'm going to label this, I have to pick some letters because we already have X. So I'm going to go M and N. It's M minus N. Can you use the two smaller triangles to find M and then find N and then be able to find X? Pause the video, have a go. Okay, so if I start on the smaller one, label opposite is my right angle, hypotenuse adjacent. So A and O, so SOHCAHTOA. O and A is tan, so tan theta is O over A. Tan 15 is N over 20. Multiply both sides by 20. And I have N is equal to 20 times tan of 15, which is approximately 5.36, and that's meters. Now for our other triangle, it's three sides, so it's Pythag, and our hypotenuse is our C. So C squared is A squared plus B squared. 50 squared is 20 squared plus my M squared. 2,500 equals 400 plus M squared. Take 400 from both sides. M squared equals 2,100. M is going to be the square root of 2,100, which is approximately 45.83. That is in meters. Therefore, X is going to be equal to 45.83 minus 5.36, which is approximately 40.47 meters. Now have a look at the next one, pause the video and have a go. Yes, there are X's, don't stress. Think about how you're going to solve it. Three sides. You're going to use Pythag. Give it a go. Okay, so C squared is A squared plus B squared. So we have 3x all squared equals x squared plus 40 squared. 3x all squared is 9x squared equals x squared plus 40 squared is 1600. I'm going to take x squared from both sides. So now I have 8x squared equals 1600. I need to get to the x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 8. So x squared equals 1600 divided by 8 is 200. So my x has to be the square root of that. So x is approximately 14.14 centimeters.